Well, hey everyone, this is going to be a very short video. It's just an update, give you a sneak peek on what's going on in our lives. Because what's going on is we have been full speed ahead on the equipment shed project over on the other property. I can't wait to have this building. It'll be a great addition to our homestead over there. It's because I love this little workshop that I built over here at the camp, and what we're building over there is much larger, and we need to have that enclosure over there. This is going to be 16 by 24 enclosed area where we could park a vehicle and I can have a workshop, and then there's a 12 by 24 lean-to coming off of the side. And we just got phase one of the project completed and covered today. So I wanted to just share a little bit of the footage with you, and then I'm going to work real hard at having a nice compilation of the project by the end of the week. So hopefully next weekend, or this coming weekend rather, that you will have a nice video of this project. I'm really excited about it. I can't wait to have this building. We were a little reluctant to start because of the weather. We were getting snowstorms. We had almost 3 inches of snow here the other day, and then that went away, and it's been freezing rain and just kind of crappy weather. But we've been working in between the showers and the storms and getting it done. And I'm really pleased with how it's coming out. Remember, a couple weeks ago, you saw us putting in the concrete piers over there. Yeah, we put in 16 piers, I think it was. Got those in, got them all leveled up. And then we took a lot of time to make sure everything was laid out, leveled, paralleled. We chalked lines, got everything set up exactly how we wanted it. Then we started putting in the pressure-treated perimeter, and again, made sure everything was level, because as long as you start out level and everything's parallel and square, then that's going to set the stage for the rest of the project. So this is where the project is at this point. It's all framed up and sheathed, except for the gables, of course. Okay, all the seal and joists are across there. 3/4 inch tongue and groove plywood over it. There'll be a man door in there, which will be under the roof of the lean-to that's coming out. Right now, I'm just keeping that boarded up. Down on this corner, down here, be a little platform, probably 2 steps up, give or take. Set of stairs going up, which are following the pitch of the roof. There'll be stairs here. I'll probably throw a wood stove in that corner with a through-the-wall pipe kit so the chimney won't interfere with when you go up the stairs. This will all get flashed and skirted on the outside, and then the grade in here is coming up to about 2 inches below the plate right here, somewhere in here. This will come up. It's going to be compacted 3/4 gravel and then maybe stone dust. Compacted, leveled completely across. And then I'm just going to put down the 3/4 inch thick rubber stall mats, the horse stall mats. And I think that will give me a really nice floor in here. I don't like standing on concrete, and I think that'll work out good. And like I said when I told you before, when I showed you the project, if it doesn't work out, then I pour a floor in here later on, but I don't think I'm going to need to. Probably going to put a 12-12 pitch up here. That'll give me 8 foot of head height at the ridge, and then we will decide whether or not we want to throw a dormer on that side. So 12-12 pitch, and then the shed roof going out over that area there, and that'll be 12 by 24 lean-to where I can park my tractor under it, and I can have all my ladders and staging hanging on the wall under cover, and there's room under there for firewood for the workshop. Yeah. So this is going to be nice. It's going to be really good to have. And it's right here. The driveway comes right here. So when I'm plowing, I just push the snow right away from in front of the door. It's going to be good. And it's coming out awesome. Because we took the time to make everything level and square, it carried right up. All of that is just perfect. Really, it come out awesome. Very happy with it so far.
Frankie and the boss out walking in the woods, living life happy and free. Tracks in the snow everywhere they go. There's a pokey way up in that tree. A beaver built a pond where they have some fun, taking life a day at a time. Best friends until the end. Frankie and the boss. Frankie and the boss. Frankie and the boss.